I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to keep your Android screen from turning off. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and tap either Display or Display and Touch. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Screen Timeout. On some phones, this may be labeled Display Auto Lock or Screen Sleep. Step 3. Choose a longer time limit, such as 10 minutes or 30 minutes, to keep your screen awake much longer before it turns off automatically. Step 4. Look for an option called Screen Attention or Keep Screen On While Viewing and toggle it on. Available on many Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones, this feature uses your front camera to detect when you are looking at the display and prevents the screen from dimming while your eyes are on it. If you need your screen to stay on continuously without turning off at all, you can enable a hidden setting in Developer Options. Go to your phone settings, tap About Phone, and tap Build Number 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Mode is enabled. Next, open Developer Options from your System menu and toggle on Stay Awake. This will keep your screen on indefinitely whenever your Android phone is plugged into a charger. If you want the screen to stay awake continuously while running on battery power, you can download a lightweight utility app like Caffeine or Screen Alive from the Google Play Store to toggle continuous awake mode on demand. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.